Well, Craig, that feels like a very valuable 3 points in terms of this group. But what pleased you the most about that performance?
Being able to control the tempo of the second half. Now, we still need improvement on it. It was because obviously you'll get breaks when you go forward and feels like you can score from every opportunity due to the lack of players they have defending, but also they're dangerous then for the counter. They leave a lot of men up, and it's that transitional game becomes a little bit complicated, where first half, of course, they start a little bit deeper, allows us then to really control the tempo of the game, which, of course, at this present moment really suits us. But for us to not get involved in that transitional game, which they will try and create by leaving men up, because we feel we can score. If we miss that pass, then it's going to come back the other way, and you end up losing the tempo of the game. And I felt we were able to control it a little bit better than what we have been able to do.
It was Harry's penalty that made the difference in the end, Craig, but the stats speak for themselves. You must be delighted just with the workforce, all the energy that your entire team had out there, despite only one goal.
Yeah, obviously there was a lot of changes, a lot of players definitely deserved the opportunity to play as well, and it just allows us, like this Nations League's so good because it's so competitive, but it allows you to play players because they need game time as well, and if they're going to try and fit into how we do, we believe it's going to take 20 plus players to be able to have a real good go at qualifying for the major tournament. So to get the minutes in now with all the players and expose them, it's really beneficial to us in the long run. I would like to think so. Like, I'm an experienced manager, I'm certainly not, but I'd like to feel that a few players benefited today as well. 4
games in, unbeaten. What do you think this will represent going forward into the last 2 games of the campaign?
It allows us to be in a winning position to be able to. It was different in Montenegro, obviously due to the circumstances, but off the back of the Iceland game where we were in control, then the change of tempo, the change from Iceland, it wasn't tactically, they just able to jump men forward, they were more aggressive, and we got to stay calm. So even in transition, but even when the little knockdowns, the little balls, when it's in and about you securing a ball and being able to pass to your teammates, and still bits to improvement we need, but we were better at that today.
Craig, diolch.
Okay, diolch. Thanks.